Are you trying to check your admission status but don't know where to start? You are in the right place. Welcome to Learn with Children. So in this video, I will guide you step by step on how to check your admission status on the official JAMB portal. Whether you are using your phone or laptop, it's very simple. Let's get started. So step 1, just go to your Chrome browser. Open your Chrome browser. You see I've opened my own Chrome browser. Open it now and type. You see, as you are seeing on your screen that I have opened my Chrome browser, just type efacility.jamb.gov.ng efacility.jamb.gov.ng and click enter. So let's wait for it to load. As you can see guys, it has loaded. So the next thing to do is to input your email. So I will use one of the email here. Let me input one of the email. Okay, as you have seen, I've input my email and my password. So let's wait for it to load. So guys, it has loaded. As you can see, it has loaded. So the next thing to do is to go to check admission status. This purple check admission status here, just click it and wait for it to load. So that's how to check your admission status. Now we are in 2025. So assuming you want to check for last year, just click the 2024 UTME, but since we are in the current year we are in is 2025 UTME regular, so you just click on 2025 UTME regular. It's already there, and we click on access my caps. Click on access my caps. So after clicking, wait for it to load. It has already loaded. So we come to regular admission status. It has loaded. As you can see, it's showing admission in progress. As you can see guys, it's showing admission in progress, check back later. And admission in progress AIP means you are being considered for admission. It means you are being considered for admission. Assuming you see not admitted yet, don't panic, just keep checking. If you still later change to AIP, which is admission in progress. So if you are also seeing congratulations, you have been offered admission, that is a congratulatory message that you have been offered admission to the school of your choice. And the next thing is to go to JAMB office to accept the admission with your thumbprint, or you send accept to 55019 using your SMS, and 55019 will accept the admission for you, and they will send a message back for you to be assured that they have accepted your admission for you. So let's go back. If you forgot your login details, don't stress. I help students recover their JAMB portal access quickly and secure it. Only if they are with their email. If you are with the email you use when registering for JAMB, or the number when registering for JAMB, if you are with either of the two, just send a WhatsApp message to the number showing on your screen. If you are having issue accessing your JAMB portal, if you are with your phone number that you used to register, or your email, if you have one of the two, message this number showing on your screen. But if you are not with your registered phone number and you are not also with your email, don't bother messaging this number, because I won't reply if you are not with either of the two. I can only assist if you are with either your phone number or your registered email. Also make sure your O-level is uploaded. So let's check if the O-level is being uploaded on the tab. So if you want to check, as you can see this dashboard, you can see my O-level. Just click on this my O-level right here. As you can see, the O-level is already uploaded. As you can see. So to be sure the O-level is already uploaded, you have to come here. You have to do what? You have to come here, because without your O-level result being uploaded, your admission can be delayed or rejected. So let's go back. We've checked now that our O-level has been uploaded. So let's go back. So this is the dashboard. And if you also want to check other things, you can check it. If this video helped you, please like,